back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today we are going to be doing a tutorial on my Instagram help posts, and basically if you don't know how they look like this. And I make these for my Instagram, and they're kind of like help posts, for example like user fillers and like stuff like that. And these are starting to get like popular all of a sudden because I know a lot of fan pages quit and now they're popular again. And I decided to do a tutorial on them because someone asked, I forgot who it was, but someone asked me to do one, so here it is. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go onto Pinterest, and then we're not going to look at my boards, let's just ignore them. And then I will put the account up on the screen, which is the account I use. And basically it's this account, aesthetic photos, yes. And I'm just going to save a bunch of these photos. I save usually up to like 5 photos, for example like this photo. Okay, and then we're gonna go on to Pixart, and a lot of people were looking at the apps I have. Let's just like ignore them. It's better to ignore. So you're gonna go into the grids section, the collages and the grids, and then choose your 5 photos. And the layout I choose is usually this one. And then I'm just gonna adjust the images so like to my preference. And then I click layout, border, and the amount I do is 1. Then you click next and you have that. Then I go into Instagram, and you can use your favorite person, like if you're stan, your idol. And let's see, I'm going to do, who should we do? Okay, we're gonna do, I spelled that completely correct. I forgot his username. Yeah. And so you're gonna take like photos. It's hard to explain, like photos that are in the same place, just different angles. For example, like this, and this. It's in the same place, it's just different like poses and angles. So you're gonna take a photo about let's say 3 to 5 of those photos. I like this photo shoot. But then we're going to add the photo, and I'm going to go on to shape, and then I choose this box because it gives it like a round look. And then I like to add shadow to each of my photos. So for adjust, I do 70 and 70. And then horizontal, I do it on the dot, which is 0, and vertical 0. And then we just tilt it a bit and just like put it there. And I leave like the top left-hand corner empty because that's where I usually put all my text. Then I go into sticker, and I search up PNG overlay, and it gives you like a lot of cool overlays. I have some on my home screen over here. So for example, I like this. Oh, it's not. Okay, I like this one then. There we go. And then I just put this as a border around the image. And this is more of like just putting anything anywhere you want, because I don't like plan out where I'm putting everything. It's just I find something like this fence, for example. I find it, I put like a white border, and I just stick it there. If I don't like it, I'm gonna put it in the corner because I don't like where it was, just like that. And you should not click apply until you know you're actually done, because sometimes you want to change something and then it's too late. So I just take any random image I find and just put it there, which is the most basic thing I could tell you guys, but yes. And then I'm going to move down layer so it's like underneath everything, just like that. And you can just put anything. My theme, as I said, is white, so I like to use like things that are white because it matches my theme. And for like PNG overlay, there are like these butterflies I put on the fence. You literally take things and put them anywhere. So I decided not to bore you guys by just talking because I've kind of explained what we're doing and how I'm just layering things and adding things anywhere you want because there's no layout for this except for the fact that I leave the top left-hand corner kind of blank. And I promise you, if you just like add things anywhere, add a shadow and layer them, it will look good because with the filter, no one's going to look at the small details and if something is imperfect because sometimes I don't like the way my post looks, but no one else cares. So just do that and I promise your post will look amazing with the polar filter. So after you're like pleased with it, you can go ahead and save it. And then I'm going to delete the other photos because, my storage is crying right now. Then I go into Fonto and I will put a list of my most used fonts because what I have right now is a project. So I go here, then I click replace only image, photo albums, and then, just like that. Again, I decided not to bore you guys, but what I'm doing is I'm just taking fonts. And right now I'm looking up like an idea because I don't have an idea. But then what I do is I just take fonts and layer them and try new things because, that's how stuff works, collaging works. Okay, that's good enough. I'm just going to go ahead and click save. And then I go onto Polar and I add my filter. This is the filter I use. I made it, but it doesn't have a name because I was too confused to give it a name. And then I just click modify original, modify, and there you go. You have your amazing looking cover page, your post. So yeah, that is it for this video and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.